Check Your Health is sponsored by Intermountain Health and the Utah Department of Health and Human Services.
Food and cooking trends show that pickles are a popular kitchen staple and they're good for your gut.
They also create such beautiful, vibrant flavors and colors. It allows you to be creative. You can add different herbs and spices to any of these things. And like mine says, these are quick and they're easy to do.
Quick pickling is a method that doesn't rely on the full fermentation process. It can be prepared in minutes with ingredients you most likely have in your pantry.
I always say 2-2-2-1. So you have 2 cups of your vinegar. I like white balsamic a lot of the times, which you'll see in most of these here. So 2 cups of white balsamic vinegar, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Whisk that all together until it dissolves. You can heat it up a little bit if you want, and that is your base pickle liquid. And from there, the sky's the limit.
After creating the vinegar solution, add fruits, veggies, and herbs. It's a great hack for gardeners to get produce to last a few extra weeks in the fridge.
That's usually one of the surprises when you pickle fruit, pickle things like blueberries or raspberries or strawberries. And again, it's just a way, how can we utilize everything we have in our gardens?
Chef Christopher Delissio with Intermountain Health shared with us his award-winning recipe for pickled watermelon rind.
And this here is that dish, which is a togarashi crusted watermelon that is then served with pickled watermelon rind, which is over the top, using those quick pickles like we talked about. And then it has a little bit of a honey hoisin chili crunch sauce.
I'm Mary Nichols. Find the recipe at KUTV.com. Just click on Check Your Health.